whether I'm captured or not.
Umengameli wamajaji uJustice Raymond Zondo ubethula umbiko wakhe wokugcina wezomthetho ngaphambi kokuthi athathe umhlalaphansi ekupheleni kwenyanga ezako. Akhange afune ukuphendula ngezokuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso.
We have seen here already, it looks like a military base to us and from the guidance from SIRA.
Kubotshwe amaphandle alithoba adabuka elizweni leLibya ikampeni ekuthiwa ngeyokubandula abogadi. Kodwana kwangathi babandulwa njengamajoni ingasi yabogadi eWhite River.
I can see chiefs, supporters, we're going to have our glory days back.
Ihlezi ngisho ngithi eBhasobhane iKaizer Chiefs iza nomlilo this season.
Izinto sijikile manje. Siphendula amatafula siwabhekisa phezulu.
Selivuselelekile ithemba ebasekeleni besichema seKaizer Chiefs ngemva kokuklikihlwa kombanduli omutsha odabuka elizweni leTunisia uNasreddine Nabi. Sanamukela endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC1 akwande mzumkhulu. Umengameli wamajaji Raymond Zondo ubhalile ukuphendula umbuzo othi wabethengiwe namkhanjani nabekasikhulu sezomthetho welizweli. uZondo ubuzwe umbuzo lo nabekathula umbiko waqobe eminyaka wezomthetho umnyaka ka-2022-2023 ekhotho yezomthetho sisekelo. Umbiko lo uhlose ukwethulela umphakathi ukuthi umthetho usebenze ngendlela efaneleko.
Njengoba umengameli wamajaji uRaymond Zondo ethula umbiko wakhe wokugcina njengomengameli wamajaji uphoswe ngemibuzo ngendlela yakhe yokuphatha. Kodwa nanyana njalo uZondo ubhalile ukuveza umbono wakhe ngamagama abizwa ngawo malungana nomsebenzi oqhakathekileko ebekawenza wokuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso.
Believe that the majority of South Africans, as Mr. Dagmore indicated, know the truth and appreciate the work that I, together with all those who were involved in the commission, did. So I will not engage in a discussion whether I'm captured or not.
Baphumelele 55 kwaphela kanti namaphesenti wamacala aselele emuva ahlangana namaphesenti ama-47 kodwa bekuhlose bona ehliswe ngamaphesenti ama-30. Umengameli wamajaji uthi kufanele kukhitshwe lo mthetho sisekelo.
It will be necessary for an amendment to be made to the Constitution so that it is able to dispose of a number of matters without every justice having to take part in every case.
Umbiko lo uveze nomthelelo omkhulu wokuqineliswa kwegezi ekusebenzeni kwamakhotho.
The continuous load shedding, which has stopped temporarily, which had an adverse impact on the operations of the courts. Compared to the previous reporting period,
umbiko lo ungewokugcina othula ngumengameli wamajaji uZondo njengoba isikhathi sakhe sokuba ngumengameli wamajaji sizokuphela ekupheleni kwakaHoboyini kanti uvulela indlela umengameli wamajaji wokuthoma uNguma uMandisa Maya ozokuthoma ukusebenza ngomhla ka-1 kuLamungu.
Amapholisa athi anamahlelo aqinileko nelwazi elifunekako lokulisana nendaba yobulelesi obuhleliweko bokuthunjwa kwabantu elizweni leli. Kuthi bangabathumbe bafune imali yokuthi babakhulule. Lokho kulandela imbiko yokuthunjwa kwabantu ekhuphuke nge-260% eminyakeni elithumi edlulileko. Kanti iGauteng kusekhabo lokuthunjwa kwabantu. Izazi ngezokuvikela ziyelelisa abantu abathola imali eziningi ezivela kibo Road Accident Fund zepensheni ukuthi batshetshe khulu kunye nemndeni yabo.
Iphase lilichugulukile. Umuntu uziqala yena. Isitsho sesiNdebele sithi inja ngenja. Njenganje amagenge ahatsheke konke nje achingena kamanye amazwe afunana nabantu abatsha abangenza ngabe imali. Ihubhululo litshengisa ukuthi kuthunjwe abantu abayi-16,000 kilomnyaka wemali ka-2023-2024. Bathunjwa nje kufunwe imali ezithize emindeni nabo. Izazi zithi hlangana nabongazimba baqothelweko kubalwa nabafundi.
Please, everyone should stay safe. Everyone should have their locations on. Never go anywhere alone.
I do hope students are aware. More than anything, I think students should be made aware via any kind of communication that the university can bring.
At this point, it's like we have to protect ourselves and have to make means to find ourselves a bit of protection.
Abantwana nabo basengozini kangako.
Yes, law enforcement has a responsibility. The community has a responsibility to look out for children.
Imbalobalo zamapolisa zitshengisa ukuthi isifunda seGauteng silidzaba sezehlakalo zokuthunjwa kwabantu elizweni lekhethweli. Begodwa athi phakathi kwamadzaba amachumi amathathu eSouth Africa apha iGauteng ngiyo ekhamba phambili ekuthunjweni kwabantu. Kanti abathumbi bakhambe bajugulula indawo lapha babeka khona abantu ababathumbileko. Abantu ababhadelwe nofana bathole imali eziningi nabo bayeleliswe ngokuthi bangathembi umuntu ngitsho nabantu abajidelene nabo ngombana bangasebenzisana nabongqondongqondo abathumba abantu.
Some of the threat actors in the kidnapping of people with large sums of money are family members.
Nanyana kunjalo amapolisa anethemba lokuthi azowuqeda nya umkhwa wokuthunjwa kwabantu.
We do have a task team nationally, and we also have provincial task teams which they are working together and they are making quite inroads. A lot of arrests are being made, but unfortunately this crime continues, and we think we will be able to break it down.
Ngokuya kwahlelo mbono yeSouth Africa yango 2022 eyenziwe ihlangano elisana nobulele sobuhleliweko elizweneli yithi izehlakalo zokuthunjwa kwabantu ngomnqopho wokwenza imali ngenzeka ukuthi zinengi ukudlula lezo eziseni. Kanti ihlelo mbono le itshengisa ukuthi kanengi izehlakalo ezifana nalezi azibikwa emapoliseni ngonobangela wokuthuselwa kwabongazimbi kunye nemindeni abo.
Abantu abamachumi alithoba nahlanu abadabuka eLibya bathethwe bayokuchukwa ngembuzo ngemva kokutholakala kwekampa ekusolwa ngasuthi ngeyokubandula amajoni eWhite River eMpumalanga. Amapolisa nengikhulu zomnyango wezangekhaya bangene babhudula indawo le ekungeyimila State Security Services. Kukholwa bona amadoda abotshiwe kolabe kaphethe amavisa atshengisa bona bangene elizweni lekhethweli njengabantu abazozibandulela ukuba bogadi. Amadoda la solo athome ukuzibandula ekampeni le kusukela ngoSihlabantangana.
Amapolisa afike sekafike ekampeni yokubandula abogadi le kodwa nathena kayiqalisisa kuhle abona ukuthi imsikampa le ifana neyamajoni ngesakheko sayo esinemsele ijimu nensingankidi. Indawo ekuhlala kizo lapha azikarisi nakancane zisilaphazekile begodwa zinuka pho.
Kutholakala information ukuthi sengathi khona indzawo la eWhite River lapho kubonakala sengathi indzawo lehlelelwe ukuthi iyo train abantu for security bese ke lendzawo ngathi seyigucule njengale itrain abantu for military.
Amapolisa akhanga iphayi khonakala macala ukukhahlumeza ngokomseme ehlangana namanye. Bekwebona kunabantu abangaziwa kabe bakhahlumeza umphakathi wendawo eseduze nalapha iMasoyi begoda abasolwabo bahlathulule njengabantu abadabuke eAsia.
Sibe netikhalo etiningi kuchamuka kule station lesikhona la eMasoyi lapho kube nebugebengu lebendekile ene futhi labahlukunyedwa bayasho ukuthi sengandeka ukuthi labantu bachamuka emaveni angaphandle ababadi babonakala sengathi ma-Asian.
Ikampa le itloliswe njengeziko lokubandula abogadi ingasi ikampa yokubandula amajoni.
The owner of the farm we are going to under serious interrogation so that we will get to the bottom of the matter. Then up to that time, I think now we are unable to say what are we going to do.
Omunye wabanqophisi bemela State Security Service walila ukuphendula. Amapolisa asaraga ngephenyo.
Ipi eseSudan neDemocratic Republic of Congo iyaraga nokuthikazisa ukuletha ukuthula kunye nokuhlumisa umnotho yenarhakazini yeAfrika. Ongqongqoshe wezobudlelwano bamazwe ngamazwe uRonald Lamola uthi imigomo yendaba zangaphandle eSouth Africa inzinze khulu ekurarululeni imiraro okuzokuletha ukuthula. uLamola uhlathulule imikhulumisano yokuletha ukuthula njengebogabogako. uLamola nesicema sakhe bebakhuluma nekomiti yeParliament etshejwe ubudlelwano bamazwe ngamazwe kamahlelo wamva nje wokuletha ukuthula. Amajoni weSouth Africa sikhuluma nje asemazweni lawo.
Abantu abaningi babulewe ingidigidi zama-Afrika zisele zinganabuyo kanti isiphandisi sele singakanzinzi. Le miphumela yipese Sudan neDRC. Unobangela wezipho ezisemazweni la mkhulukhulu. Amazwe afana neSouth Africa alimindima ekuletheni ukuthula kunye nekubambeni imikhulumiswano yokuqeda iziphi. Ungqongqoshe wamazwe ngamazwe uRonald Lamola uthi isizathu salokho simahlangothi amabili. ISudan ibhodiwe mamazwe alikhomba weAfrika ngikho ipi ekulela lizwe ithinta inhlangano eziningi zamazwe ngamazwe. Solo ngonobayini womnyaka opheleleko kubulawa amajoni ekhethapha amahlanu ebekathonyelwe eDRC kwathi angaphezulu kwama-30 alimala. Umnyango lo uthi imfuno zeSouth Africa eDRC ekulizwe lesibili le kufanele zivikelwe bezikhuthazwe. Uthi amajoni aqhakathekile ekusizeni ukufumana insombululo.
Nasibuya entolo.
I feel disappointed, you know, like this is very sad. Like I never knew, like it's very sad, the situation.
It makes us want to cry.
Like it's painful to see what we are going through. I get it, guys.
Balila ngokuhloyana ngokumbala abafundi besikolo sabentazana iPretoria High School for Girls. Zisakhona indaba ngelimi lesindebele. Azikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus na ku Facebook. Iyachidela ikambiso yokukhalinywa kwabafundi abajanisiweko esikolweni sabentazana ePitori. iPretoria High School for Girls abafundi abanengi besikolo wesibathi ibalimazile kwamambala indaba yokuhlwena ngokombala. Kujanyiswe abafundi abali-12 besikolo wesi ngensolo zokubandlululana ngokombala ngokusebenzisa iWhatsApp ekuthiwa ngeyabafundi abamakhuwa kwaphela. Kwathiwa iWhatsApp lapho kusola bona kulapha abafundi abamakhuwa babandlulula khona abafundi abanzima. Isehlakalo lesi sisilinge ababeletha abanengi. Bafuna ukuthi umnyango wezefundo eGauteng uthole isisombululo kwanje.
Isikolo iPretoria Girls High sibuyile ndabeni ngezenzo ziphambukileko godu. Kuvumbuke insolo ezitsha godu zokubandlululana ngokombala esikolweni. Abafundi abambalwa basolwa ngokuba yiqhema seWhatsApp sabafundi abamhlophe kwaphela esizele ngehloyo yabafundi abanzima ekwenze bona bagcine bajaniswa esikolweni. Abafundi abaningi bathonyekile ngendaba le.
I feel disappointed, you know, like this is very sad. Like I never knew, like it's very sad, the situation.
It makes us want to cry.
Like it's painful to see what we are going through. I get it, guys.
Yeah. Right now we are all in uncomfortable positions, both white, black, and Indian, and like all races are in an uncomfortable position because right now we are in the midst of suspension, all the sanctions happening, but we don't know what's actually happening as of right now, so we don't know.
Azithomi insolo zokubandlululana ngokombala esikolweni. Ngo-2016 abafundi abambalwa bajagalela ukubandlulula ngenhluthu zabo. Omunye wabelethu uthi umnyango walamula kodwana akunamajuguluko.
I blame the Department of Education because they are just reacting. They are reacting every year to allegations of racism, and this thing is going to be swept under the carpet. Nothing is going to happen. Next year the same thing is going to happen again.
Umfundi waphambilini esikolweni oqeda umnyaka opheleleko uthi indaba mraro akusingi yokuhloyana ngokombala kwaphela kodwana kunomraro wokubhalelwa kufumana indlela ekungizo zokurarulula imiraro abafundi abahlangabezana nayo ngaphandle kokubonakala kunokubandlululeka kwabanye.
To certain black students and following rules, I do understand why certain rules are kind of more adhesive to them. You know, they don't follow certain rules. They're very disruptive as well. As a student myself, I can say I used to be very disruptive, and certain things would be told to me that wouldn't be told to white students if I have to stay, simply because I was black and I wouldn't listen.
Hlangana nezinye inlile ezikhona lilembatho labafundi ngokuhlukana kombala. Umnyango wezefundo eGauteng ujamile ekutheni insolo zamhlapha nje ngezitsha kanti azihlobani nezo.
We understand that the code of conduct, when is enforced, it looks like it's harsher on the black learners than when it is. on the white learners. So it's something new that it was never an allegation at that time.
Nakusenjalo umnyango wezifundo sisekelo unethemba lokuthi iphenyo lawo lizokuletha imiphumela emihle ezokuthabisa kwakababelani esikolweni.
Zimachumi amathathu nekhomba inkolo ezisasebenzisa indlwana zemgodi. Kokutsho komnyango wezifundo eLimpopo, umnyango lo uphikisa imbiko yokuthi umfundi waka grade 2 weLifatani Primary School eBuhlokwa uwele ngendlwaneni. Umnyango wezifundo uthi umfundi lo uwele ngaphakathi komgodi wakwakha indlwana esebenzisa amanzi.
Abafundi esikolweni abakatshetshi sehlakala esipheze sabulala omunye umfundi. Izolo umfundi ka grade 2 uwele ngaphakathi komgodi wendlwane sazokwakhiwa. Iphenye elisungulikweko liveze ukuthi umfundi weminyaka ebunane obudala lo bekadlala nakuzakuvuleka isivalo somgodi lowo.
Bana ba sekolo ba banyane ko primary ba be ba ralokela gausu le toilet ka morago ga yona toilet ego go na le ntse re bitsang manhole e coverang toilet ka mo morago e be ba raloka mo gona ba binela godima yona ile ya pharoga ya ba re ngwana moti a ba gore wa trepe ya
kanti eminyakeni elithumi edlulileko umfundi waka grade R Michael Komape wabhubha ngemva kokuwela ngaphakathi kwendlwana yomgodi. Kanti ngemva kwesihlaka leso inhlangano zomphakathi zafuna isizo kwezomthetho. Ikhotho yayala umnyango wezifundo ukuthi kuqedwe ukusetshenziswa kwendlwana zemgodi esifundenisi. Nakusenjalo nakulandelelwa imbiko yesihlaka primary school isichema sababiki bendaba eSABC sasahlelwa ngaphandle kwesikolwesi.
As we started filming at the back of the school where the toilets are situated, 2 cars approaches from our right hand side, and then people came out of those cars threatening us to stop filming. They came, touched the equipment, the camera that I was using, blocking it from not filming.
Achechi sehlakala esipheze sabulala omunye umfundi. Izolo ikomtshini yamalungelo obuntu ithi ukusahlela kwababiki indaba kuliya ukusebenza kwembiki indaba.
Kantali iqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Umnqophisi esichimeni seKaizer Chiefs uMuntaung Junior uthi baphezulu kwamahlelo okuqinisa isichema lesi. Ukhuthazena abalandeli besichema ukuthi bamthembe umbanduli omutsha uNasreddin Nabi emidlalweni wakhe wokuthoma wangosondo.
Amakhosi eqa imibundu abuya phethe umbanduli omutsha weTunisia uNasreddin Nabi. Thome ngokwane sicheme imvekeni 3 ezidlulileko nasizibandulako. Njengoba ngosondo yokubambana neYanga yeTanzania emidlalweni ophaliswana lobungani iToyota Cup eFree State Stadium eBloemfontein.
We're literally reconstructing who we are as a football club, you know, so that means with players, with our squad makeup, with how we want to play football, with how we want to operate as a business.
Kanti nomnqophisi kezokukhangisa kuKaizer Chiefs uJessica Motaung uthi kuzoba nomehluko kwanje.
Let us not use old terms. As much as they have excitement, I think it is about us consolidating what we're doing and really looking forward. You know, so I'm quite excited with all the plans that we have in place.
Nagibo abalandeli bamakhosi kwangathi libuyile ithemba.
I can see Chiefs, supporters, we're going to have our glory days back.
We can't wait for the beginning of the season, and the signing have instilled and inspired hope and confidence on the Kaizer Chiefs faithful.
Hlezi ngisho ngithi eBhasobhane iKaizer Chiefs iza nomlilo this season. Ngiyantshela ngizoba sibulala abantu.
Yabona kule season le esizoyiqala manje izinto zishintshile. Izinto zijikile manje. Siphendula amatafula siwabhekisa phezulu.
Season eritlammo yona malome richela thupa. Wabona re thomile fela ko Turkey re bontsha batho gore 5-2 is possible. Look at these young players.
You will see magics this season. Kaizer Chiefs is taking everything. He's taking league. He's going to take everything.
iKaizer Chiefs ibhalelo kufika esigabeni semidlalo yeMTN 8 ethomi iveke zako okutsho ukuthi seyilindele imidlalo yeligi yeBetway Premier Soccer League eyokuthoma ngoKhukhulamungu.
Ake sicale imbono yenu mbukeli ngale ndaba eceda ukuphela.
Kuleni season azawuqhuba kahle lamavukuvuku waseNaturena bathanda iKaizer Chiefs.
Mina ngibona ngathi ngempela abafana bazimisele futhi bajume ngokwanele njengoba kade behambile nje bese Turkey beyojumela ngakhona.
Impela no coach lo musha abamthengile impela uyathembisa kakhulu nabi kule season sokuya nazo isicoco noma esisodwa.
Hayi Pirate yami ngiyayibona izoshaya abantu kulonyaka. Isilungiselele ngokwanele.
Nginethemba elikhulu lokuthi ezami iOrlando Pirates izokwenza kahle kakhulu.
Uyabona kulona unyaka nibheke kahle iOrlando Pirates ezoyithatha ileague.
Nginethemba kakhulu kule season. iKaizer Chiefs course lizobuya ngamandla kule season.
Isiqhema sami Orlando Pirates izilungiselele ngokulingeneko ngombana nangale ngaphetsheya isenza ikariso umraro nomdlalo ethu wogcina nje ileague before ivalwa senza ikariso umraro ngokubetha Sundowns.
Orlando Pirates vele yona leyo 100% ingayithatha ibigiri ngoba iyadlala i-team leyo. Ucoach lo wethu lo usibambe kuhle isichema and then neTS Galaxy ngiyacabanga ukuthi izowina nayo ngempela veke.
Umbono wonke umbukeli SABC ayizokutheswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Ake sihlole ngekwekwezini ukuthi basiphathele ziphi ebusuku nje. Sibu nikhamba ngaziphi phambili.
Siyathokoza kwangwesilochisa umbukeli okhona osekhaya. Nanzi nawe uthoma lapha esifundeni amapholisa athole khona indawo batsho bekade kubandulwa kiyo amajoni ngokungamthetho. Sikhuluma nje kunamaphandle abotshiweko kiyona le ndawo. Ngale kwalokho sisesekhona la esifundeni seMpumalanga. Umasipala weMbombela uyalila uthi abantu laba abathengisa endleleni inani labo libonakala liya ngokukhula. Uthi abanye babo abalandeli imithetho kamasipala. Siyokusonga ngokuthi sichinge eNaturena ekhabo leKaizer Chiefs. Izolo isiqhema nomhlangano nababiki bendaba la baveze khona ijezi labo elicha lesizini le ezako 2024-2025. Sengitsho ke nombanduli omutsha lo oceda ukufika ukhulumisene kokuthoma nembiki indaba zenaka yeSewula Africa ukuthi utheni umlaleli akabeke indlebe ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM. Sithokozile ithuba.
Akube yiphela veke ephephileko. Kukhobongile.